This is the process I use when filling my water tank. I have a spout filler with an on-off tap. I have a water filter. And I have a short piece of connecting hose. When all connected together, it looks like this. I simply connect the spout filler into the water fill hole, and a hose connects to the filter. When I'm ready to fill the tanks, I turn the tap on, insert the spout filler, remembering it has a tap at this end. I can control the water, turn on and fill the tanks. If I was filling the tanks from mains water, I would simply eliminate the spout filter and connect directly to the mains water connector. Lift the hatch so that you can close the door and leave the water connected. One trick people don't realise is that if you've got a standard hose connector, you can actually screw these onto the water filler. Simply push on and then screw down and tighten, and then you can connect a hose.